Hello everyone. Yesterday we have seen what is BODMAS and how to solve. So let's today start with an example. How we will use BODMAS in this kinds of problems. Now first in the given question, check what all operations are present. First you have subtraction, you have flower brackets also, plus symbol, minus, again you have parenthesis which is again a type of a bracket. Next you have off, next plus, again subtraction, next you have multiplication. So first according to the BODMAS, first we have to solve the bracket terms. Let's see. In the given question, you have two types of brackets. First one is flower bracket and next one you have parenthesis. So first we have to solve the terms which are there in the brackets. So first we will take the flower bracket because it is the starting one. So first we will take the bracket term first. So in the bracket term, again you have, suppose for the bracket term you have this term 10 plus 2 minus 8 of 2 plus 1 minus 3 into 4. This is the bracket term which is present in flower bracket. Now again remove the flower bracket and observe. First let us draw the rough part. Always it should be right side of your book. So the terms which are there in the flower bracket are 10 plus 2 minus 8 of 2 plus 1 minus 3 into 4. This is the term which you have inside the flower bracket, and again after 4 you are having parenthesis bracket. So this is the term which is present in the flower bracket. So again in this term you observe, you can again see parenthesis is the one type of bracket which is present. So first in this also again you have to solve parenthesis bracket term which is 8 of 2 plus 1 minus 3 into 4. This is the term which is present inside the parenthesis bracket. Now first you have to solve this term. Then you observe in this term what are the operations present. First one is of, plus, minus, multiplication. Now from these four symbols, from the BODMAS, first you will get multiplication, OF, off. Off is present in this term. So first you have to solve off. So first the terms which are present either side of the off, you have to solve this one. And yesterday only I have said you, in the place of off you have to substitute multiplication symbol. So first you have to solve 8 of 2. First you have to solve this term. So except this term, remaining all terms will be same. So let us write 11 minus, flower brackets you have to write as it is, plus 2 plus minus parenthesis 8 of. In the place of you have to write multiplication symbol 2 plus 1 minus 3 into 4, and the brackets will be remaining as it is. So this is the term. First what we have done, we have removed the off and we have placed in the place of multiplication symbol. If you did not watch the BODMAS video, you can go and check yesterday's BODMAS video. Then you will remember that in the place of we have to substitute multiplication symbol. Now again from this, now you have to observe in this line what the term first we need to solve. First you have to solve according to the BODMAS bracket terms. So first the bracket term is flower bracket. Again in this bracket term you don't have any one term, you have many terms present. So again in this term also observe, if you have bracket, first you have to solve the bracket term. Now in this flower bracket also you have again parenthesis. Again you have parenthesis. So from this parenthesis, first let us write in the rough column what is present. In this parenthesis bracket you have 8 into 2 plus 1 minus 3 into 4. These are the terms which are present in the parenthesis bracket. So from this you observe what are the operations present. Multiplication you have, plus you have, minus you have, and again multiplication you have. According to the BODMAS, first you will appear with the multiplication symbol. Plus and minus will come later. So first you have to solve multiplication terms. So the numbers which are present either side of the multiplication symbol, you have to solve it first. So first you have to solve 8 into 2 and 3 into 4. You can solve it simultaneously. So we will see the next step. Remaining terms should be same. 11 minus flower bracket 10 plus 2 minus, inside the parenthesis bracket first you have to solve the multiplication terms. 8 into 2 will become our 16. Next plus 1 minus. Again between 3 and 4 you have multiplication symbol. So 3 into 4 will become our 2. So end the parenthesis and end the flower brackets. This is the next step we have got. Now in this step you observe. Again you have the bracket terms. First bracket terms you have to solve. So flower bracket you have. So the flower bracket, in the flower bracket what is present? In the flower bracket also again you have parenthesis. Now in this parenthesis you have to solve first. In this parenthesis next you have plus symbol and next you have minus symbol. So from addition and subtraction, according to the BODMAS, first you will get the addition. So first you have to solve the addition term. That is 16 plus 1 you have to solve first. So the remaining terms will be same as it is. Let us write it. 11 minus, open the flower bracket, 10 plus 2 minus parenthesis 16 plus 1 will become our 17. Minus 12 will be as it is. Close the parenthesis and close the flower brackets. Next observe in this step. First you have to solve again flower bracket. Again inside the flower bracket you have again parenthesis brackets also. So first you have to solve this parenthesis term, and inside the parenthesis you have only two terms, which is 17 and minus 12. So first you have to solve this one. So 17 minus 12 will become our 5. So remaining terms will be same. 11 minus flower bracket 10 plus 2 minus, inside the parenthesis 17 minus 12 will become our 5. So if you will solve inside the parenthesis term, you will get only one number. So no need to write again parenthesis. Till here, with this we will be completing our parenthesis. So now close the flower bracket. Now see, in this you have only one bracket, which is flower bracket. Now inside the flower bracket what all terms you have, first you need to solve that one. So remaining terms will be same as it is. Open the flower bracket, and inside the flower bracket you have plus and minus. So first addition and subtraction, according to the BODMAS you will get addition first. So you have to solve the addition term first, which is 10 plus 2. 10 plus 2 will become our 12 minus 5. This is our next step. So next you have 11 minus flower bracket 12 minus 5. 12 minus 5. Inside the flower bracket you have only one term and one operation, which is subtraction. So let us solve first this one. 11 minus 12 minus 5 will become our 7. So you have only 11 minus 7 left. 11 minus 7 will become our 4. So at the last, with this we have completed to solve the problem. No. Now next, 11 minus, write down the actual question first. This is the given question. For that, after solving, you have got the answer as 4. Always you have to mention what is given, and what after solving whatever you have got the answer, you have to write it like this. So if you like the video, share and subscribe. Thank you.